Meaning of fat cat.
Fat cat.
Fat cat.
Fat cat.
Fat cat. The term fat cat is used to describe a wealthy and powerful person, typically in a negative or critical way. It implies that the person has gained their wealth through corrupt or unfair means, and is often associated with corporate executives, politicians, and other members of the elite class. The term can also be used to refer to an individual with excessive wealth or material possessions, who is seen as being out of touch with the struggles of everyday people. Overall, fat cat is a pejorative term used to criticize those with excessive wealth and power.